What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how private investigators and OSINT analysts can trace information from a phone number, including yours. These tools are usually used to track scammers, fraudsters, and cybercriminals, and I'll be showing you how they uncover details to verify whether a person is real or fake. I'll also explain the logic behind how a tool like this works, and most importantly, how you can protect your privacy. But before we begin, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is made strictly for educational and cyber awareness purposes only. I do not promote hacking, spying, stalking, harassment, or invading anyone's privacy. Every demonstration you see here was performed in a controlled environment. The goal of this video is to help people understand how these techniques work so they can protect themselves, not to encourage illegal activities. Always follow the law and use cybersecurity skills responsibly. Alright, let's get started. Let me open my Linux terminal, go to the tool directory, and run the program we'll be using for this demo. Okay, we're inside the tool. Here, the investigator would enter a phone number to pull publicly available information from across the internet. So let me type the numbers, and let's see what happens next. Done. Now I'll click submit, and now the information gathering process has begun. You can see the system scanning, and also connecting to global lookup gateways, establishing encrypted tunnels, checking international blacklists, scanning for fraud or scam reports, verifying business records, and so on. Let's wait a few seconds for the process to finish. And there it is. The results are now displayed on your screen. You can see the retrieved details such as name associated with the number, network carrier, country, city, and zip code, fraud or spam reports, business lookup information, email patterns and digital footprint clues. This is exactly how phone number OSINT works, and how a person's privacy can be exposed online without hacking. Watch closely. These are the complete details linked to the phone number I entered earlier. Now, let's talk about the logic behind these tools. Tools like this often rely on public databases, phone carrier information, data breach records, social media footprints, web scraped information, OSINT APIs, spam and fraud reporting networks. When combined, these sources can paint a very detailed picture of someone just from a phone number. So, how do you protect yourself? Don't share your phone number with strangers. Avoid posting your number publicly on social media. Never enter your phone number on random websites. Always verify a site's legitimacy before giving personal information. Be aware of phishing scams. That's where many criminals harvest victim data. Remember, your phone number can be a gateway to your identity. So make sure you protect it at all costs. And here's one final reminder. The information in this video is provided only for learning and awareness. Nothing shown here is meant to be used for illegal tracking, spying, or hacking. Every demonstration you see was done in a fully controlled setup created strictly for cybersecurity education. Misusing these techniques can lead to serious legal consequences. Always stay ethical, follow the law, and protect people's privacy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking content. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next one.